In this edition of Benta para sa Binda. So I decided to start a starters collection binder. You can see Bulbasaur, Charmander, and Squirtle. Kung mapapansin nyo, wala si Pikachu because my daughter collects Pikachu. On this new series, Sir Son and I will update you on the progress of our binders. Honestly, the progress might be slow because we use the funds for these binders from selling our cards. As you may have observed, I started collecting the starters and this one has damage on it sadly. So 2 weeks ago we picked up this Bulbasaur, Squirtle, and Charmander Cosmic Hollows promo cards after hitting our sales quota that week. Sa negosyo parang bonus ito eh. May bonus kami ni Sir Son pagka na-hit namin yung target namin. At yung bonus na yon ay dito namin ilalaan sa aming binder. Kasi we would like these binders to serve as a reminder of our hustle and grind on selling Pokemon card. Iba kasi pagka pinaghirapan at unti-unti mong tinatay ang kwento ng iyong binder.